Hello everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great day. Thank you so much for being here and watching. So today we are opening up the December Simply Earth, and this is an essential oil recipe box. I've been opening this for a while on our channel. So this is what the box looks like. When it arrives, it always has like a little sticker that shows who packed it. And it looks like my box was hand-packed by Cheryl again, so thank you, Cheryl. If you guys are unfamiliar with Simply Earth, like I said, it's an essential oil subscription box. It is monthly, so you get 4 essential oils every single month, and then you get 6 recipes, and then some other items to make the recipes depending on the theme that month. So there is a theme every single month, and the December theme is gift giving. This box costs $39 a month, and you're guaranteed to get a value of $150. I do have a promo code. I've had that for a while now. I think it is amazing, so thank you Simply Earth for providing that for us. But when you use my code, you will get a $40 gift card to use at Simply Earth, and you will also get a free bonus box that has a $40 value. And what's in this bonus box are things to help you make your essential oil like recipes. So it's really useful. It's a really great deal. You're pretty much getting $80 worth of free stuff when you sign up. These boxes do sell out every single month. So this month they started something brand new. Once the boxes are gone for the month, they have something they're calling the starter box. So instead of having to wait for the next box, since it's sold out, like having to wait like weeks or a month, you will get sent immediately their starter box. So it's pretty similar. It won't be the same as that month's theme, but you'll get the recipe cards and all of that, the essential oils, and you will also get a free bonus box. But anyways, if you use my code, you'd get that bonus box. Anyways, but I'm filming this in the very beginning of December 2nd, so it is still available. So if you like what you see in this unboxing, definitely take advantage of that. Before we get started and open this box and see what's inside, I just wanted to remind you all that there are several giveaways going on our channel. If you have not yet entered, I always leave those in the description box. One is ending super soon. That is for a necklace from Tiny Hands Jewelry. And then there's also the giveaway to win 2 subscription boxes from California Found. So definitely check those out. And yeah, I think that's everything. Oh, I also wanted to mention, I don't want to spend too much time talking about it because it has nothing to do with this video, but Cratejoy's having a Cyber Monday sale. So I'm going to leave that information down below. So you can save 30% today on their best-selling boxes. So I wanted to mention that to you. I know there's so many sales being thrown into everyone's faces, but I thought that was a good one because it's a subscription box site. But let's get into the December Simply Earth box. So when I open it, this is what I see. Right on top, these are stickers that you can label your projects with, so that's super convenient. And they're super cute too, so it kind of gives you a sneak peek of what we're seeing. And here are cards that come. So these cards have recipes for all of the activities for the month, and on the back of the cards there's some information too. So let's see what they say. So I think this is the one that talks about today's box. So this is a note from Katie, the recipe formulator and a certified aromatherapist. She says, "Hi friend, finding gifts that will bring smiles without breaking the bank can be tough. This year it doesn't have to be. Your recipe box is designed to make gift giving easy, affordable, and toxin-free. Make the recipe, add a tag, and your gift is ready to go." On these cards, we've included kid safety and estimated shelf life so that you know who is the best fit for your gift. Don't forget to check out our blog where we have videos and more details on each of our recipes. I'm leaving their link down below already, but you can find their blog there, just FYI. So great, that sounds awesome. And that is a really sweet gift, like a homemade gift. So I'm really excited to see what we have to make here because I'm probably gonna gift at least one of these items. One of these cards gives a sneak peek for January, but we will hold off on that. One thing I failed to mention in the beginning of this is that every single month they give 13% of their profits to an organization to fight against human trafficking, and I think that is so amazing. 13% of profits, that's a big chunk of money, so I think what they're doing is so great, and I love supporting companies that support charity. So it looks like this month the charity is Nightlight Bangkok. I won't read everything here, but I'll hold it up to the screen. If you're interested in learning more, you can pause it. Hopefully you can see it. If you can't, I apologize. You can always ask me the info if you need it. So this is what it looks like without all the cards on top. So you can see they properly store all the essential oils. If you love essential oils like I do, you will love this box. So let's just go through, like what I usually do is just grab one recipe card at a time and then I'll pull out the items as we go or as they come up. So these are in no particular order. The first one I see, it says the Cold Buster Roll-On. So the estimated time to do this is 1 minute. Estimated shelf life is 2 years, and this is safe for kids 10 and up. Don't you love that they provide that information? I think that's really important. So the ingredients for this Cold Buster Roll-On, the first thing is 1 drop of peppermint essential oil. So here is that. They do a really good job labeling their oils. They already told us the child safety thing on here, but they also label it on the actual vials of essential oil. And they tell you where the oils came from and stuff. So the peppermint, it comes from the plant part herb. Its origin is India, and its aroma is sharp and minty sweet. I have another one of their Simply Earth peppermints. I got it as like a bonus. It didn't come in a pass box, so it's not like repetitive. So I have that open, but it smells exactly what you would expect peppermint to smell like. And then the next one is 1 drop of pine scotch essential oil. Oh, that's one I definitely have never had before. Let's get that out. Cool. So here it is right here. And this comes from the plant part needles and twigs. Its origin is Hungary, and its aroma is evergreen and woody. And this specific essential oil is child safe for those 2 and up. So let's take a sniff of this. It's gonna smell like Christmas, I bet. Pine. Oh my god, it's so earthy smelling. It smells good. Awesome. And then 3 drops of mandarin essential oil. Cool. I have like orange and tangerine, but I don't have any mandarin. I love trying new essential oils. So this comes from the plant part fruit peel. Its origin is Italy. Its aroma is sweet and orange, and this is safe for the children 2 and up. Let's smell this. Oh, this smells amazing. If only I could share the scent with you through the screen, through the camera. And then you will need fractionated coconut oil in a 10 ml roll-on bottle. So the fractionated coconut oil and the roll-on bottle, those will come in your free bonus box when you sign up with my code. So it comes with like 5 of the roll-on bottles and then 5 of like little vials like this, so you can like mix up your own essential oil mix. So it's super convenient, and it comes like with things like the fractionated coconut oil. It actually comes with 2 different forms of coconut oil, so like the actual oil and then like the more solid form. You get like almond oil, like stuff for bases up for the projects. You get a bunch of stuff, and it's super convenient and makes these projects doable. So what you do is you just add the essential oils to the roll-on bottle, swirl the mix, and then you fill the rest of the way with fractionated coconut oil. And to use, apply the blend to pulse points for congestion relief, focus, and energy. I'm totally going to do that. I'm not going to be doing any projects right now on camera because it is 3:30, and after I film this, I'm going to rush to the post office with some giveaway packages for those who won my most recent giveaways. So if you're watching, those should be there in 2 days. But next up, this sounds awesome. Mandarin and coffee sugar scrub. The time this takes to make is 5 minutes. Its estimated shelf life is 6 weeks, and it's safe for kids 2 and up. So ingredients, you'll need 1/4 of coconut oil solid. Again, that comes in the bonus box. 1 tablespoon fractionated coconut oil, again, in the bonus box. 15 drops of the mandarin essential oil. 1/2 cup of ground coffee beans. Let's see, do they provide that? So I think the coffee beans is something you'd have to provide for yourself. Usually they like star that if you do, or I'm just not seeing it right now. You also need 1/2 cup of sugar from home, and then a small jar or similar container. There is like a jar here. I don't know if this is what you're gonna use it for, if this is for another recipe, but just a suggestion, like when I hear small jar, similar container, it's a great way to repurpose your finished candles. You can use something like that. So instructions, it says melt the coconut oil in a double boiler or in a microwave using 15-second intervals. Then you add the fractionated coconut oil and essential oil and stir to combine. If the mixture has begun to harden before the oil is mixed, reheat until just melted. Stir in coffee and sugar until fully incorporated. Store the mixture in a sealable container, and to use, apply a small amount in circular motions onto wet skin to exfoliate. Allow the scrub to sit for about 10 minutes before rinsing, and a tip here says to store in a cool, dry location for best results. So for our third little activity or recipe, it's the Citrus Christmas Room Spray. Oh, I'm excited about this one. It says this takes 2 minutes. Its estimated shelf life is 3 months. It's safe for those 2 and up. Oh, I love that they're including this on here. I've never seen this before. They're like upping their game, Simply Earth. Good, I don't have to do any research. It says it's not safe for cats. So this is gonna be something I make and pass on as a gift for sure. Yeah, because my aunt doesn't have any pets. She's not allowed to in her condo, so, and I see her every Wednesday for trivia night, so I'm gonna bring that to her. And it's not safe for dogs too. So I think that is so amazing they're providing that information. Usually I provide a link under these videos so you can like look up essential oils. I always say like contact your veterinarian if you have any questions about it, because certain, like how they give child safety warnings, the same applies to pets. But anyway, so the ingredients, you'll need 25 drops of the mandarin essential oil, 15 drops of the pine scotch essential oil, 2 tablespoons of vodka or witch hazel, which is optional. I think the vodka, it's like a preservative. 2 tablespoons of distilled water in a spray bottle, and the spray bottle came in today's box, or this month's box. So you add the essential oils to the spray bottle and swirl to mix. Fill the rest of the way with water, and to use, shake and spray around the room. And then for a tip, it says vodka and witch hazel help the oils incorporate into the water for a longer lasting aroma. Oh, and they do that too, I guess. If neither of these are available, they can be replaced with just more distilled water. Okay, so this will be a nice gift, and I guess I'll just show you this sticker so that you put that right on there. So I think that's so cute how they do that. So yeah, I'm totally going to gift that one. Next up, we have peppermint and pine salve, or salve. Okay, this is one of those words I'm never like super sure about. It's like when it's like not a body cream, it's a salve. If I'm saying that wrong, I know someone will correct me, but please do. So the time to take to make this is 5 minutes, plus you need 15 minutes to let it cool. The estimated shelf life is 1 year and is safe for kids 10 and up. And ingredients, you need 1/4 a cup of coconut oil, 1.5 teaspoons of beeswax. That is another item that's included in the bonus box. 7 drops of the pine scotch essential oil, and then 7 drops of the peppermint essential oil in a 2-ounce tin. So that's what this is. So this is for the salve. So you melt the beeswax and coconut oil in a double boiler, add essential oils and stir to combine. Pour the mixture into the tin. It says use caution as the tin will become hot. Allow the salve to cool to room temperature, and to use, apply to chest for a natural decongestant. Nice. So aren't the cards they provide really useful and easy to read? I don't think I've shown you one up close. Okay, I just caught a glimpse of the next activity, and I'm so excited about this one. Candy cane lip balm. So it says this takes 5 minutes and then 15 minutes to cool. Its estimated shelf life is 1 year, and it's safe for kids 12 and up. So you'll need 1 tablespoon of the beeswax, half a tablespoon of the coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of sweet almond oil, all of those in the bonus box. Sorry to be repetitive, but just letting you know. And then you need 10 drops of candy cane essential oil blend. So that's our last essential oil, candy cane essential oil blend. This is so exciting to me. So this is a blend so that it looks a little different than the other ones. It tells you what's in here. So the ingredients are spearmint, frankincense, orange, and lemon essential oil. This one says kids 2 and up. Even though it says kids safe for those 12 and up, that's because other ingredients. And you can also use this in a way. It says experience the seasonal aroma. Place 2 to 6 drops in your diffuser. I will. I have a pretty big space, so I always look and see like what's safe around cats. If some things are questionable, I just do it in a ventilated room, like with the lanai open, or I don't put them at risk. Don't worry. I've had comments before when people were worried about my cats. Believe me, they're my babies. I take care of them very well. Oh, I love this. It's so nice having little things like this to remind me of like the holidays, because honestly, it's like, I say this in every video. Are you guys annoyed that I always say how hot it is here? But it's one of the first times I'm here for like the holiday seasons, and it's just hard to get in the spirit when it's not cold, but having this smell or the scent around will definitely help. And then you need 2 lip balm tubes, which were provided in the box. Oh, I can't wait to make these. Oh, and the last things in the box, which go great with the theme of gift giving, there's tags. So there's like little ties and then little tags here, so you can right, to and from if you're gifting any of this. So quick, the instructions are melt beeswax and coconut oil in a double boiler, remove from heat and add the almond oil. If lip balm has begun to harden before the almond oil is mixed, replace on heat until the mixture is just melted. Add essential oil blend and stir to combine. Quickly pour lip balm into tubes, remelting if necessary, and allow the lip balm to cool completely before using. I'm so excited to do that. I've said this before and a few people got angry, but I think what I'm gonna do, I'm trying to be more active on my Instagram. I might like do some of these on an Instagram story or something like that. If you guys are interested, will you please leave a comment down below if you have Instagram and would like me to like do like little videos there too. But let's move on to the very last, the sixth activity. It's the Christmas Candy Diffuser Blend. This takes 1 minute. Estimated shelf life is 2 years, safe for kids 12 and up, and it says it's not safe for cats or dogs. So it seems like they're now going to provide that information on the cards for anything that like goes into the air, like diffuser stuff or sprays. So I think that is just so great. This company is awesome. They give back to charity. They give such good information about safety. But so for the diffuser blend, you put 2 drops of that candy cane essential oil blend, which I'm really excited about. 2 drops of the mandarin. I just dropped something, but I'll get it later. Of the essential oil, and then a 5 ml blend bottle, and that was one of those little bottles I was telling you about that come in the bonus box. And all you do is just add the drop. You can either just add 2 drops of each of those oils into your diffuser, or you can make a master blend. And to make a master blend, it says use the 5 ml blend bottle from your big bonus box using 50 drops of each essential oil. And then when you want to use it in your diffuser, just add 1 to 3 drops from your master blend for this refreshing diffuser. So I think this was such a good box. I think anyone would love to get any of these as gifts. Like, I'm excited to make this stuff, and it's just fun. Like, doing stuff like this, it's like a new hobby of mine. I think it's an awesome idea. So if you know anyone too that like is into essential oils or like doing crafty things or DIY stuff, this could make a great gift as well. Again, I'm going to link it all down below and provide all the information there, but I really do love this subscription. I think it's so fun. And now I love it even more that they're providing even more safety information to include pets. That is so nice. So thank you to Simply Earth. So before we go and say goodbye, let's look at what the sneak peek for January is. It says, the sneak peek is winter wellness. It says, I love celebrating the new year. It's a time to start fresh and make changes to your life for a better you. That's why next month's box is focused on wellness. The oils will include next month, so I guess if you don't want spoilers, you can just X out now, but if you want to know what oils and stuff are coming in next month's box, you are getting our reformulated and much improved relief blend, clary sage, brand new, hoe wood, and lemon. These oils make some beautiful blends. Oh, nice. Oh, I just love the scent of lemon, and I think I surprisingly don't have any lemon essential oil. So I'm excited. And the bonus items are avocado oil and then containers to make the recipes. And the recipes, the toxin-free recipes that you'll make in January, again, spoiler alert, foot soak, massage blend, body butter, spritzer, roll-on, and diffuser blend. Ooh, a massage blend, that's nice. And it says tip for next month, make sure you have some Epsom salt on hand for the foot bath recipe. That's another thing I really like, that they like kind of warn you in advance, like if you'll need anything extra. Like, you know, in that one recipe today, we needed some like coffee beans and some sugar. Common household things, but maybe not everyone has it. So you just know and you're like to get it in time when your box arrives so you can do your crafts. But yeah, I think this was great. So like I already said, I'm gonna repeat myself because that's what I do. All of this information, the link, the promo code, everything will be down below. So if you want this box specifically, make sure to order it soon because they sell it every single month. But don't fret if you order after the time it sells out. Like I said, you'll get their new starter box. So you won't have to wait long for the January box, but you'll still get that one. So anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing with me. I love you so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye.